"Pass it, Emma!" a voice called from across the green field. Emma swung her foot and kicked the black and white football as hard as she could, but the ball wobbled sideways, rolling far away from her teammate. "Oh no!" The other team, the Yellow Hornets, quickly got the ball and scored a goal. The game was over. Emma's team, the Bluebirds, had lost again. Emma felt her shoulders droop and her smile disappear. Everyone walked off the field with their heads down. Emma picked up her special football, the one with the shiny blue patches that matched her jersey. As Emma carried her football home, it felt a little bit warm in her hands, like it was holding a secret. Emma sighed, wishing her team could be better. That night, Emma sat on her soft, cozy bed, looking at her special football. As the moon shone through her window, the football began to glow. A soft, warm light pulsed from the shiny blue patches, making them swirl like tiny blue galaxies. Emma watched with wide eyes, completely amazed. The football gently lifted into the air all by itself. It floated silently toward her window and bumped the glass. Tap, tap, tap. It was asking Emma to go outside. Emma knew this wasn't just any football. This was a magical adventure waiting to happen. Emma slipped out of bed and quietly followed the glowing ball out into her cool, quiet backyard, where the moon made everything look silvery and magical. In the moonlit backyard, the glowing football hovered in the air and began to show Emma something wonderful. It projected a soft, moving picture onto the dark night air, like a tiny movie just for Emma. First, Emma saw a team of busy ants working together. They were trying to carry a big, red strawberry back to their anthill. One little ant couldn't lift it alone, but when they all pushed and pulled together, they moved it easily. The picture then changed. Emma saw a beautiful flock of birds flying high in the sky. They flew in a perfect V-shape, helping each other soar through the air. The football hummed a soft, happy sound, and Emma understood. It was showing her what true team spirit looked like. Emma stood in the cool grass and thought about her team, the Bluebirds. Emma remembered how everyone on her team always tried to kick the goal all by themselves. They didn't pass the ball to each other and work together like the clever ants. They didn't move together to help each other like the graceful birds flying in the sky. Emma realized that was their problem. They weren't a team, they were just a group of players. The glowing football floated down and settled gently back into Emma's hands. Its bright light faded to a calm, gentle pulse. Emma hugged the ball tightly. Emma wasn't sad anymore. Emma was excited. Emma now had a wonderful plan to help the Bluebirds learn to fly together. The next day at football practice, Emma gathered her teammates. "Let's be like the ants and the birds," Emma announced. "Let's work together." At first, the other players were confused, but Emma explained her idea about passing and helping. So they tried it. Emma passed the ball. Someone else passed it back. Soon, the ball was zipping between the Bluebirds. They called out to each other and cheered for every good pass. It felt different. It felt fun. They were finally playing as a real team. They might not win every game, but Emma knew that playing together was the best prize of all. That night, tucked safely in her bed, Emma gave her special football a little pat. Emma dreamed of Bluebirds soaring down the field, a team full of spirit.